guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're making meatball stew. Super easy recipe, you guys. And we're going to get right into it. But first, if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my roux. I'm going to be using some avocado oil as well as some flour. You can use whatever oil you like. And I'm just going to be consistently stirring this so that the roux does not burn. We don't want burnt roux, that's a no-no. And I'm going for more of a chocolate color roux. So just constantly stirring this, making sure you don't turn your back on it because it can burn really fast. And just a FYI, this is on low in a Dutch oven pot. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start chopping up my vegetables. I have here half of a yellow onion, half of an orange bell pepper. I'm going to be using what's left of this green bell pepper that I had in my fridge, as well as 4 cloves of garlic. So half of these veggies I'm going to be using to add with the ground beef, and the other half I'm going to be adding into the gravy. Alright guys, so this is about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to be seasoning this with some Creole seasoning, followed by some garlic powder, onion powder, some cumin, and some black pepper. Next, I'm going to be adding in some plain breadcrumbs, as well as 2 large eggs and some chopped onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Next, I'm going to be making the meatballs. As for the size of the meatballs, that's all personal preference. I like mine medium size, as you can see. And so it's all up to you. Okay guys, so next we're going to be putting this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees. Alright, so now you just seen me add the vegetables to the roux, and I'm going to let this saute for about 3 to 5 minutes on low. So after 25 minutes in the oven, we're going to transfer these meatballs into a deeper pot. I'm going to be using a Dutch oven. So once I'm done adding the meatballs into the roux, I'm then going to be adding in some chicken stock. You can use beef stock, but I find that with the chicken stock, it just tastes so much better. Also, be sure to check the description box for the accurate measurements. And once we're done with that, we're going to put this on the stove and cook it on medium to high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until your gravy is at your desired thickness. Alright guys, so this meatball stew, it is finally done. Just take a look at the consistency of the gravy. So yeah guys, this is the finished product. It looks so delicious, and it was delicious. So if you follow this recipe guys, you cannot miss, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next upload, okay?